Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsengkam Hima.
Kinong yalam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hapo ka jing yalam uba Manuel Badwar. Henne kasi ulaong baga Sorkar ka deban wanra buntli ki jat program ni ki jat jing yalang. Nakabanta upad ba? Ban penslor ya kinu ki bakwa ban sengkam ladi. Baki deban wan shakmat ban seng ya ki kam ladi. Habagran chikila pathai kubor ulaong baka Sorkar ha ka jukopor ka deban thau buon kilat kilinti nak banta kin Nongsengkam khnang ba kin Nongsengkam kin shlur ban mi shakmat dak bakado baki brio hakleng kari ki buon ki bathiet ikitiar kitar ling ba online badde na kini ki rinsan kin Nongsengkam ru kin la bande ikitiar hakleng kari uba Manuel ulapan pau ya ka jing sngolingo ru ha ka ba ka Sorkar kamdon ya ka jingmut ni ka thong banbu ya ka nu ka policy ha ka baide bat ka online business khamtam banbu ya ki fulfillment center hapo ka jilla ula banjur ru baha ka baide bat ka jing yade ha ka yo yadi yathit ne ka market connectivity ulong bahapo ka jilla kalong zero la ne not ulong bakum ya ushinrai ni ushirmit lakadong turmeric ki babun ki briu nabar ka jilla ki Jingmyntoi haki kenja jinget ho ulabu jingkli ka Sorkar ba bale ya kumkini ki jat marrep ru amla ban Jingmyntoi haki wei ki liang ha ka bandi shabar ka jilla
pet kum ka mining nyem dei bengi persyak ka mining mo handai lada ka mining illegal ban तो obviously इन हाबे प्रशांत नमर को रॉयल्टी जो सरकार मींस के दिका स्पा को फो को बलेच का सरकार लदा का सरकार का यो न का माइनिंग एक्टिविटीज बकिले ini की ब्रियो नहीं का पिसा का लेच का सरकार kan happen lu dai kan happen lu pai pai am kan happen improve ga ya ka healthy am kan happen improve ga kan happen improve ga education hi am lada ka leakage na ka to ka revenue ko badi ban yo सरकार ya ka to tengin habe प्रशांत ba namar ka spa ka fo ko dai te jong simet armet ka spa ko ko dai jong pai ba te lada du yong udan ka po ka jaka ka jong phi ma kana ru handai ka khajna ko pidi misi सरकार to kadi ban lek am te menta ba ka shulong no ba shulong ba ka shubam ai ke te ka spa ko ko lek chu pai ba te ka jing ban ke jing duk ka state jung bele ka long ta namar ka spa pa ro khaj ka lek bitan se kati jong khlap ngot ki bele ke
let's be very clear.
Our focus should not necessarily be only on improving infrastructure, but our focus should also be in improving entrepreneurship. Now, when I say entrepreneurship, please remember that in any populace around the world, whether you go to Japan or you go to Germany or you go to Singapore or you go to, not everybody can do business. Okay, not everybody has the mentality to do business. Out of 100 people, you'll be lucky if there are 10 people who are very successful in doing business. That's a very lucky population, correct? Now, if you know that you have only 10 people or 10 out of 100 who are able to do the businesses that we are supposed to do, what we look at is basically the government should come up with activities to ensure that whoever is doing businesses, whoever wants to do businesses, they will come forward and do the business. But at the same time, they have to create enough wealth to ensure that they create enough opportunity for employment for the rest of the populace. See, I always keep on telling, and I hope you don't mind, it's going to be a little long. We know that in India today, 140 crores of the population is our population, out of which 60 to 70 to 80 crores is actually shopping online, correct? So if you have 60-70 crores of the populace shopping online, why is it till today I don't see Meghalaya having any policy in terms of online businesses? Okay, we talking about channel management, we're talking about we have to improve the reach between the producer and the consumer. We have an online platform that is already existing, which we can full-heartedly make use of. See, I'll give you a very good example. Today, there's an entrepreneur who makes mora, correct? In some village or the other, and he makes very good quality mora. Now, after making the mora, where does he end? He ends on the roadside trying to sell the mora to anybody who's passing by. Sometimes he even carries it on his back and goes from house to house and try to sell it. Now, at the end of the day, what will he do? Will he focus on producing it or will he focus on selling it? Correct? Now, if you go to an online platform as of today, moras are being sold on online platforms. at a price which is quite higher than what this guy is selling it. Correct? Now you have companies like Amazon, you have companies like Flipkart and so on and so forth, right? They want to open fulfillment centers across the country, and they have been opening that also. If you notice, even Assam has a fulfillment center for Amazon. Why is the government not taking care of a fulfillment center in Meghalaya? Why is it not focusing? Because that's also a channel. Please remember, Amazon is not a marketplace. Amazon is only a channel management, is a logistics management company. Correct? Now, if tomorrow, if the government is very serious about improving the livelihoods of people, they can at least open or at least invite these kind of online services people to come and invest here. So what will happen is, the moment the fulfillment center is in Meghalaya, it gives a huge opportunity for many entrepreneurs there. I'll give you a very good example. So what happened is, if I today want to sell some stuff to the populace of of India, which is 80 crores of population, I can easily reach out to Amazon because it's existing here. I can open a store with them. They will give me some sort of, in that fulfillment center, they will help me with all the logistics. So if somebody buys it from Bombay, I can easily go and deliver it to that Amazon facility. They will go to, the entire delivery from Meghalaya all the way to Bombay will be done by them at a very nominal price. In today's world, if I do that, it's very difficult. I'll have to go to the post office. I will have to go to private parties like Blue Darts and so on and so forth, which is extremely expensive for me to sell. Correct? So now, where's the ecosystem? We have absolutely no ecosystem to actually help the small entrepreneurs that we have. See, businesses can come from anywhere. I'll give you a very good example. During Christmas, we treat pine cones. You know what a pine cone is, right? A pine cone is a very simple thing for us. We play with it. But if you go to Bombay, they don't see pine cones. They buy pine cones from online shops. And they buy one packet of pine cone, which is for 250 grams. They buy it for 400, 500 rupees. Tomorrow, if Amazon is available in Meghalaya and has a fulfillment center, some guy from Malki can just go and collect pine cone from the jungle, and he'll just pack it and sell it there. It's an opportunity for him to create wealth for himself. No, that's an ecosystem that has to be built. It is not the ecosystem that we're talking about, right? You understand? So there's so many opportunities that are there for us to actually look at. And I think from a policies perspective, we have to start looking at, we have a lot of talent in this state. We have a lot of talent. A lot of people know how to build furniture. A lot of people know how to build artifacts, lamps, and so on and so forth, using cane, using this, and so on and so forth. If we look, there's huge opportunity across the state, across the country, and across the world for kind of products that we are selling. But till today, the lacuna is that the channel itself does not exist for them. So many people I've seen, they've been given training to produce this or to produce that, while they are doing production. But what's the use if tomorrow I produce a huge amount of quantity, but then it's still lying in my godown and I'm not able to sell it, and there's no rolling in my business? So sooner or later my business will die. Yeah, so from the Congress perspective, I think it's too early for us to discuss. We're not even in power. But the point is, I think these are small factors which we, not just from ourselves, but we also urge the government to look at it on a very serious matter again. Something about market connectivity? Zero. I'm telling you, zero. Madam, understand one thing. Sending truckloads of oranges to Delhi or to Dubai is not market connect. You can do it one time to go and showpiece yourself that you have very good pineapple or you have very good oranges. But where's the market connect? There's actually no market connect. Where's the channel management that is supposed to be in place? We have no channel management. And the government should not get into channel management at all. There are so many parties that are there who can help with the channel management. We need to focus on what we feel. That whatever we focus, whether it's production, whether it's food processing or anything that we focus on, what we need to do is we have to create an ecosystem so that at least the market exists for us. You understand? No? But I think the intelligence should come from the government's perspective. And there's so much opportunities. Yeah, like I'll give you another example if you want to know. Lakadong turmeric. Okay, Lakadong turmeric is still being sold in the market today as a food item, right? But the turmeric, because of the high curcumin content and so on and so forth, can also be used as a cosmetic, especially during weddings and so on and so forth. Nobody has taken full advantage of that. So many friends of mine, if they get married, they call me up and I said, Manuel, send us some turmeric because we need it for the wedding. So we send 3-4 kgs, but then that's a friendship way of sending it, right? Can't we do a branding exercise where we sell Lagadong turmeric as a totally new activity together? Because we don't have production capacity to match the entire consumption, right? But then we need to look at it from a different perspective, and I think these opportunities can only come when there's a healthy debate, when the government starts looking at it in a very serious matter, which I don't see till today. While Prime is a very good activity, it's a very good notion that is started by the government, but I don't want it to lose to lose energy over a period of time, because it's going to die out if failures keep on happening. Because at the end of the day, any business will never thrive if you don't have a good channel management.